සිග්නල් නැතුව එන්නේ ඇරිච්ච මොකද්ද කිව්වේ? සිග්නල් නැතුව එන්නේ ඇරිච්ච.
ඕකේ අපි අද 9 o'clock වෙනකන් ලෙසන් එක කරනවායි කිව්වා. 7:30 වගේ පොඩි ඉන්ටර්වල් එකක් ගන්නවා කිව්වා. පොඩි බඩගින්නට මොනවා හරි ලෑස්ති කරගන්න කිව්වා. ලොකු බඩගින්නක් ආවොත් අම්මට කියන්නකෝ පිඟානක් බෙදාගෙන එන්න කියලා. right? Okay, so page number 24. Last week we did question number 1 and question number 2. Take red pen, you can put right marks. Activity 9, take red pen, you can put right marks. Today is...
Excuse me. Teacher.
Now, did we mark that?
Teacher page number එක අපෝ කියන්න.
Page number 24. Activity 9.
Teacher animals lage එක නේද?
Yes. Activity 9. Take red pen, you can put right marks. List out the actions that each animal is doing in the poem. So number 1 is the duck. What is the duck doing?
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher මට ගිය සතියේ ඉන්න බැරි වුණා. ඕක කළේ මොනතේද?
Okay, we did this in the writing book. So now you can copyright it. It's okay. Copy the activity
teacher.
into your writing
Teacher
book.
කීවෙනි පිටුවද?
Page number 23. Activity 9. Frog. Swimming in the water. Take red pen and put right marks. Swimming in the water.
ටීචර් මොන පොතේ ටීචර් ටික ලියන්නේ?
Writing book. Bug floating on the water. Floating on the water. Snake playing in the water. Question number 2. What are the words that describe each animal? Describing words. Describing.
teacher.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So number 2, describing words. Little white duck. Little white duck. Little green frog. Little green frog. Little black bug. Little red snake. Right? So that those are question number 1 and 2. Please raise your hand if you are finished marking or finished writing. Raise your hand.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher dictation වලට පස්සේ මුකුත් වැඩ කරාද?
And after the today we
ගිය
did not.
සතියේ
Yes. After dictation we read this song, page number 22. Then we did activity 9, question number 1 and 2.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Right.
ටීචර් මම එදා හිටියේ එදා ගොරවන්න ගත්තන් ටීචර් ගොරවන්නෝ ඉදිලි කොන්නෝ
Yeah. In the third question, we have to write this poem like a story about the animals, right? So go to your writing book, question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, so they give us the beginning. පටන් ගන්න විදිය ඒගොල්ලෝ දෙනවා. Look at the pupils book, question number 3. Once there was a duck sitting in the water, right? Let's copyright that sentence. Once there was a duck. Start writing with me. Once there
ටීචර්
was...
ප්‍රශ්න ලියන්න ඕනේද
No need, don't. It's a very long question. Don't write the question. Let's just write the story.
ඕකේ ටීචර්
Yeah. Once there was a duck sitting in the water. Once there was a duck sitting in the water. Full stop. He was doing what he outer. Outer means kamathi deya. He was doing what he outer.
ටීචර් ඌරක් කැල්ලද ලියන්නේ
No, we are writing a story. කතාවක් ලියන්න. He was doing what he outer. He took a bite of a lily pad. He took a bite of a lily pad. නෙළුම් කොළයක් හැපුවය. Comma, flapped his wings, and said, that he was glad. Full stop.
Finish, teacher.
Right, very good. Now look at your pupils book. Right? Look at your pupils book and the story.
Finish.
Right, go together. දෙකම එකට බලන්න match වෙන විදිය කොහමද කියලා. Once there was a duck sitting in the water. Right? A duck sitting in the water. Pupils book එකේ poem එකේ ඒ කොටස තියෙනවා. He was doing what he ought. He was doing what he ought. He took a bite of a lily pad. Full stop. He took a bite of a lily pad. No, full stop no. Comma. එතන අපි comma එක දාලා next sentence එක join කරනවා. He took a bite of a lily pad, flapped his wings, තටු සැලුවා,
Teacher
and he said,
Teacher කැඩි කැඩි එන්නේ.
කැඩි කැඩි
right, so we are here. Look at your writing book.
interval එකද interval ද teacher දුන්නේ
අනේ no I had a signal problem. මං කීප සැරයකට connect වෙන්න බැරි වුණා. දැන් router එකේ මොකක් හරි ප්‍රශ්නයක් කරගෙන යන්තම් connect උනේ, right? interval එක අපි ටිකක් රෑ වෙලා ගමු. තාම පටන් ගත්ත විතරයි. Okay. So look at the writing book and the pupils book, right? Line by line. බලාගෙන යන්න first paragraph එක හැදුවේ කොහොමද කියලා. එතකොට second third paragraph ඔයාලට තනියම හදන්න පුළුවන්. Once there was a duck sitting in the water. He was doing what he ought. He took a bite of a lily pad, comma. අපි comma එකක් දාලා fourth line එක join කරනවා එතෙන්ට. He took a bite of a lily pad, comma, flapped his wings, and he said, එතෙන්ට that කියලා දානවා. That he was glad. I'm glad කියලා කියන්න බෑ. අපි කතාවක් කියන්නේ. He was glad. Right? And he said that he was glad. Now let's go to the second poem. Second one also I will write. You can copyright. Second poem. There was a little green frog.
Teacher එතනටමද නැත්නම් rule එක කරලා ලියුවට කමක් නැද්ද?
New paragraph.
Okay, teacher.
There was a
teacher rule එක කලින් නැතුනේ teacher
okay, yes, one line down, no problem. There was a little green frog. There was a little green frog swimming in the water.
Teacher එතනට once කියන එක නැද්ද?
No need. Once upon a time කියලා අපි පටන් ගන්න story එක. දිගටම එහෙම දාගෙන යන්නේ. There was a little green frog swimming in the water. He was doing what he ought. He was doing what he ought. He was doing what he ought. Third line I copyright. Third line I copyright. He jumped He jumped right off of the lily pad. Third line I copyright, comma. Fourth line I join. That the little duck bit.
ටීචර්
Yeah.
දෙවනි පෙළේ අන්තිමට තියෙන වචනේ පේන්නේ නැහැ.
Lily, look at the pupils book, right? Follow the pupils book. Then next one, bug, little bug එකයි snake එකයි ඔය තනියම ලියන්න ඕනේ. So follow the pupils book line by line. Follow the pupils book. Pupils book එක බලාගෙන යන්න කොහොමද වෙනස් කර කර ලියන්නේ. Third line I copyright. Then put a comma and join the fourth line. Right? That is how we do. Third line එක copyright කරලා comma එකක් දාලා fourth line එක join කරනවා. Bit and he said that. And he said that. Now I'm glad එක ලියන්නේ. He was glad.
ටීචර් ඩුයින් කියන එකට එහා පැත්තේ තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද?
Huh?
ඩුයින්
What? WHAT.
අපි දැන් බග් එක ලියන්න ඕනද?
Yeah, so bug and the snake, you write yourself.
Okay, teacher.
Very good.
ඈ 29ක් තියෙනවා.
හරිද?
අපි තුන්වෙනි එක
අම්මේ ආයි ස්ටෝරේජ් ආවනේ.
රශිනී වගේ මයික් එක ඔන් වෙලා ඔෆ් කරගන්නවද?
ඕකේ. ටීචර් දැන් මේ ටික විතරයි දුන්නේ.
Yes. Here I have the duck and the frog. You write bug and the snake. Right? මේකේ pattern එක හොයාගන්න. Some we copyright, some we join.
Finish, teacher.
Right, very good.
Finish teacher. I am a Finnish teacher.
Very good.
I am Finnish teacher.
Finish, teacher.
හතරවෙනි එකක් ලියන්න ඕනේ.
I am finished,
Yes,
teacher.
yes. Not copywriting this one, right? You have to write the bug and the snake. Did you write?
I wrote both of them, teacher.
Yes, yes. Kushani, very good.
Teacher.
Yes.
එකයි ස්නේක් එකයි දැන් අපි රයිට් කරන්න ඕනේ.
Yes, yes. Hurry up.
Teacher,
Yes.
no.
Dinsara, can you read the bug paragraph? Dinsara? Dinsara, read the bug paragraph. No. Only 3 raised hand. Charuka, can you read the? No, I think Charuka's microphone is not working. Okay, okay. Apsani, can you read the bug paragraph?
There was a little black bug floating on the water. He doing
He was doing.
he was doing water. He tickled the frog on the lily pad. That the little duck bit and he said and he was glad.
Yes, very good, very good. Others, hurry up, children.
Finish, teacher.
Right, please raise your hand when you are finished writing, because there is one more poem we have to write. Please raise your hand. Himandi, not finished?
Teacher,
Yes,
what
Netumli?
is lily pad? What teacher? What is lily pad?
Nelum Kolaya. Lily
ටීචර් දැන්
pad is
කළේ
Nelum
මොකද මාව
Kolaya.
කට් වෙලා දැනුයි ගැඩ්ඩුනේ.
Okay, Himandi, right. If when you finish writing, raise your hand.
Okay,
ටීචර් මොකද්ද
teacher,
කරන්න
thank you.
කිව්වේ?
Did you write the story Duck and the Frog?
Yes ටීචර්.
Then you have to write Bug and Snake yourself. තනියම ලියන්න Bug and Snake. Children. මේගොල්ලෝ මොකද මේ raise hand කරන්නේ නැත්තේ ආ? Number 3, there was a little black bug floating on the water. Full stop. Copywriting from the pupils book. Next one, he was doing what he outed. Number 1 එකත් ඒ විදියමයි, number 2 එකත් ඒ විදියමයි. He was doing what he outed. එයා කැමති දෙයක් කරමින් සිටියා. He tickled. Third line we copyright. He tickled the frog on the lily pad, comma. Then fourth line we join. එතනට 4 එක join කරනවා. That the little duck bit and he said that he was glad. Next one. There was a little red snake playing in the water. Full stop. He was doing what he outed. Full stop. He frightened the duck and the frog so bad, comma, he ate the little bug and he said that he was glad. Okay, Himandi?
Okay ටීචර්.
Yes, very good. Now let's write the last one. Let's write the last one. Now කියන්න බෑ. දැන් අපි past tense එකෙන් ලියන්නේ, right? This is past tense, so it's not now. Then there was, last one, then there was nobody left sitting. Then there was nobody left sitting in the water.
ටීචර් අර ස්නේක් එකටම අල්ලලා ලියන්නේ.
No. Again, new one. Don't join. Then there was nobody left sitting in the water.
හිතෝක වෙනම නේද ලියන්නේ?
Yes, new paragraph. Nobody was doing what he outed. දැන් කවුරුත් නැහැ කැමති දේවල් කරන. Nobody was doing what he outed. Then the third line we copyright. Right? We copyright the third line. There was nothing left. There was nothing left but the lily pad, comma. But the lily pad, comma. The duck and the frog. The duck and the frog ran away. Ran away and said that they were sad. It's plural, no? They were sad. Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
I'm a Finnish teacher.
I'm a Finnish teacher.
Writing Finnish teacher.
teacher.
Right hand is
Writing Finnish teacher.
Teacher, I'm finished. Teacher, I'm finished.
Teacher, I am finished.
Teacher, finish. Teacher, finish.
Right?
Finish, teacher.
Yeah.
Finish, teacher.
Yes. Okay. So let's go to the next question. We have a poem. Read the following poem. Tiger, striped, fierce, leaping, pouncing, and snarling. I hope I never meet one in the night. Row. Right? So it's a poem about tiger. Let's check the meaning. Tiger, striped, fierce. What are stripes? Stripes. Iri.
Don't know, teacher.
Iri. එහෙම නැත්නම් පටි. Right? පටි සහිත, ඉරි සහිත. Striped, fierce, දරුණු. Leaping, leap, jumping. Leaping means jumping. Pouncing. Kada paninama. Pouncing. Kada paninama. And snarling. Snarling. Dat vilissanama. Dat vilissanama. Snarling. I hope I never meet one in the night. මට රැට නම් එක්කෙනෙක්ව හම්බෙන්න එපා. මුණ ගැහෙන්න එපා. මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා. Raw. Raw is its sound, right? Tiger ගේ sound එක raw. Now write a poem about your favorite animal using the following format. So how to write about your favorite animal? It can be the cat, a lion, butterfly. But remember, here we need the sound. Animal sound එක දැනගන්න වෙනවා. Like butterfly, I don't know what is its sound. But like a dog, bark. Cat, mew. Horse, neigh. Elephant, trumped. Lion, roar.
Teacher dog ගේ woof නෙවෙයිද?
Wolf, yes, but we also use bark.
Okay.
Right?
teacher
Yes.
square teacher අහන්නේ වෙන පිටුව අලුත් පිටුවකද
Anytime, yes. You can take the tute anytime. Right? Not for all the classes. මොකද ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ ක්ලාස් එකේ එක්කෙනයි දෙන්නයි එන්න තියෙන. ඒ නිසා ඕන වෙලාවක ක්ලාස් එකට ඇවිල්ලා ටියුට් එක අරගෙන යන්න. වැඩි පිරිස එකතු කරන්න බෑ. ඒ නිසා අනිත් ළමයි කවුරුවත් පේපර් එක හම්බ වුණ ළමයි කවුරුවත් ඉන්න එපා.
ටීචර් මොකද්ද කිව්වේ?
Teacher unit 3 paper එක නේද?
මම සිතුම්
ත්‍රී
teacher.
පේපර් එක ගත්තේ නැති ළමයි ක්ලාස් එකට ඕන වෙලාවක ඇවිල්ලා ටියුට් එක අරගෙන යන්න. රයිට්? අනිත් ළමයි එන්න එපා.
Teacher දැන් ආවොත් බෑනේ teacher.
දැන් ආවොත් ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන්. Yes, no problem.
හරි.
Right. So let's come to page number 25. Pleasure. What is pleasure?
සතුට.
Satuta. Very good.
Satuta.
Pleasure, satuta. Right. So look at the pictures. Is this Colombo?
No teacher.
Where?
No teacher.
Candy.
Where are we? In a botanical garden?
No teacher.
Candy Perahara. Yes. So it is Candy Perahara. Our lesson is about Candy Perahara. Saumya, Sahan and their parents are in Candy to see the Candy Perahara. Right. So there is mother, Sahan, father and Saumya. 4. Okay. Who does not speak much? Kawuda වැඩිය කතා කරන්නේ? Malisha, mother. Netumli, Saumya. Yalindu, father. Minuda, Sahan. Right. Start reading.
Saumya, Sahan, look, the Perahara is about to begin.
Very good.
Let's go to the fount so that we can see better.
Very good.
Look at the whip crackers and the fireball.
Acrobats.
Acrobats.
Leading.
Leading the way. There are many of them now. There were
Fever.
of them a few years ago.
Yes.
Father, don't you
No. That is Sahan.
there will be more in the future?
Netumli, that is Sahan's line. No.
Father, don't you think that there will be more in the future?
Okay.
You
Right, Saumya.
Look, these are beautifully decorated baby elephant.
Oh, I missed it.
Don't worry. There will be no more.
Saumya, there's majestic tusker coming this way. What is it carrying on its back?
Malisha.
it is to flood.
Yeah. Okay, so now I will explain the meaning of the conversation. Then you can do the activity, right? I don't help for the activity. So everyone listen carefully. Saumya, Sahan and their parents are in Kandy to see the Kandy Perahara. Saumya, Sahan, look. The Perahara is about to begin. Begin means start. The Perahara is going to start. Let's go to the front. Front. Let's go to the front so that we can see better. Look at the whip crackers and the fireball acrobats leading the way. Lead karana. Nayakatve deno issarahimme yanama. Fireball acrobats and the whip crackers. Who is whip cracker?
Kasakaruwo.
Very good. Kasakaruwo. Who is fireball acrobats?
Gini bola karuwa.
Very good. Gini bola karu. Very good. There are many of them now. What is many? Godak. Yes, many of them now. There were fewer of them. Fever adui. Fewer of them few years ago. Vasara කීපයකට පෙර හිටියේ ටික දෙනයි. Father, don't you think that there will be more in the future? In few years ago, අවුරුදු කිහිපයකට පෙර few. Now many. දැන් ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා. So in the future, will there be more? තව වැඩිපුර ඉඳීද? You never know. ඔයා දන්නේ නැහැ ඒ ගැන අපිට හරියටම කියන්න බෑ. You never know. Look, there's a beautifully decorated baby elephant. You know, in the Kandy Perahara, lot of baby elephants are there, right? Wearing beautiful costumes. Oh, I missed it. මට යම miss වුණා. Don't worry, there will be more. We know that there are a lot of baby elephants in the Kandy Perahara. Don't worry, there will be more. Saumya, there is a majestic tusker. Who is tusker?
Dala ඇත්තා.
Dala etta. Yes, tusks means dala. Tusk, tusk, dala. So tusker, dala etta. Majestic tusker. Majestic means tejanvita. Tejanvita. Yes. The majestic tusker coming this way. This way. Me පැත්තට එනවා. What is it carrying on its back? පිටේ carry කරන්න ගෙන යන්නේ මොකද්ද? It's the sacred tooth relic of Lord Buddha. Sacred tooth relic, पूजनीय दंत धातुන් वහන්සේ of Lord Buddha, right? Questions?
No, teacher.
No, right. So come to the writing book, new page. Take a new page in the writing book. Let's write the topic, unit 3, pleasure.
ටීචර් ලොකුවට නෙමෙයි නේද?
Writing book, yes. Take the writing book, unit 3, pleasure. Then we write activity 2.
ලොකුවටද මාතෘකාව ලියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය ගන්නද?
Then grade 7. සිතුම්ට කැමති විදියක්. You can use
ටීචර් writing book එකේ නේද?
writing book, yes. You can use highlight, you can use color pen, whatever. Right? Complete the following sentences using phrases from the dialogue. Phrase එක කියන්නේ වාක්‍ය කොටසක්. Right? So fill in the blanks.
ටීචර් ප්‍රැක්ටිස් 2 කරන්න ඕනේ ටීචර්. ඇක්ටිවිටි එක දැන් කරන්න ඕනේ.
Yes, now we do activity 2. Yes, in the writing book. Yes, yes. Hurry up. Write the sentences in the writing book and fill in the blanks.
As you can see, it's pumpkin season. They're not just for decorating, folks. Pumpkins are one of the most versatile.
ටීචර් ඒකේ ටීචර් ටොපික් එකක් ලියන්න ඕනද?
Activity 2?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Take red pen. Take red pen. Sahan and his family are in
Candy to see the candy perahara.
Candy to see the candy perahara.
To see the candy.
very good. Candy to see the candy perahara. There are
Crackers and fireball.
And and fireball. Acrobats.
The way.
very
The
good.
way.
Right. Number 3. Father said that
Father said that many
They are
there were. Yes, that's all. There were. No many. There were. Father said that there were fewer whip crackers few years ago than now. Sahan did not see
Baby.
Baby.
Decorated
decorated.
baby
Okay,
elephant.
see the baby elephant. That's enough. Baby elephant. Yes. Baby elephant, or you can write beautifully decorated baby elephant. Right. Majestic tusker was carrying
Great 2, 3.
sacred,
of Lord
sacred,
Buddha.
Of Lord Buddha.
Tooth relic of Lord Buddha.
very good. Sacred tooth relic of Lord Buddha. Right, now take the tute, unit 3 tute.
Teacher,
Yeah.
pupils books එක use කරනවද මේකට?
Of course, we need the pupils book. Question number 1 in the tute. Read the dialogue in activity 1 and write full answers to the following questions. So remember, you should write full answers. You cannot write short answers here. Who went candy? Why did they go there? Who came first in the Perahara? Who carries the sacred tooth relic in the Perahara? Why? Who? Number 5. Who did not see a baby elephant? Remember to write full answers. You can look at the conversation here. Right, read this one and write the answers. Read the activity, read the dialogue, and write the full answers.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. Lower your hands first, children. Then after writing, again you can raise hand. Lower the hands first. Thank you. After writing, remember to raise your hand, right? So that we don't have to wait. ලියපු ගමම ටක් ගාලා අත උස්සන්න. එතකොට ඊළඟ පාඩමට යන්න පුළුවන්. Write the full answer. Do you have the tute, unit 3 tute?
ටීචර් අපිට යුනිට් 3 ටියුට් එක නැහැනේ.
Teacher.
No,
Yes,
teacher.
question number 1.
ටියුට් එකේම
ටීචර්
නේද?
එහෙනම් පොතේ ලියා ගන්නද?
කොහොමද ලියන්නේ පොතේ?
මේ ටියුට් එක මොකක්ද ටීචර් කරන්න ඕනි?
Unit 3 tute, question number 1.
Okay, teacher.
ටීචර් ටියුට් එක ගන්නද? සෙනසුරාදාට එන්නද ටීචර් ටියුට් එක ගන්න?
Okay, okay.
ඒ ෆොටෝ එකක් දාන්න. ටියුට් එක ළඟ නැතිව මොකද ටීචර් කරන්නේ? මේ ටියුට් එකේ ෆොටෝ එකක් එවන්න පුළුවන් ගෲප් එකට.
ටීචර් ටියුට් එකේ ඇක්ටිවිටි 1 නේද කරන්න කිව්වේ?
ටියුට් එකේ පළවෙනි ඇක්ටිවිටි එක විතරයි නේද කරන්නේ?
Yes, only question number 1. Write the full answers.
ටීචර් please may I go to toilet?
Okay.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Excuse me, teacher. Please, may I go to
Go.
Teacher මේ class එකේ recording එක දානව නේද? Class එකේ recording එක දානව නේද?
Yes.
I am finished, teacher.
Right.
Teacher paper එකේ මොකද්ද කරන්න ඕනේ?
Question number 1.
ඊට පේපරේ ගත්තේ නැති අය මොකද කරන්නේ?
මම එක group එකට දැම්මා.
Over teacher.
Good.
Finished, teacher.
Okay. Osanda, finished writing?
Yes, teacher.
Yalindu?
No,
Okay.
no, teacher.
Okay, right.
parents, teacher.
Right, let's check the answers. Here you should write the full answer. Red pen, take red pen and put right marks. Who went candy?
Soumya, Sahan,
Soumya, Sahan and their
Father,
friends.
Sahan, Soumya,
Soumya,
father.
Sahan, his father and his mother.
Soumya, Sahan and their parents went candy.
Teacher, parents කියලා දෙමු පැරදි.
No, cannot went past tense.
Oh, okay.
Went candy. It's okay, just cut a and give a right mark. Why did they go there?
See the
They
candy.
go to see the candy.
They went, Gia,
the
they
candy.
went to see. They went to see the candy perahara. They went to see the candy perahara. Number 3. Who came first in the perahara?
Crackers came first in the perahara.
And the fireball
Whip
acrobats
crackers
leading the
First and
and
fireball.
Crackers and the fireball acrobats leading the way.
fireball acrobats.
Teacher,
Yeah.
their parents went candy කියන එක දැම්ම නැතුණාට කමක් නැද්ද?
Soumya and Sahan විතරද?
නෑ teacher, Soumya, Sahan and their parents went candy කියන එක
Read your answer. ඔයා ලියපු විදිය කියන්න මට.
Soumya, Sahan and their parents.
ඉතින් එතන full answer එකක් නෑනේ. ඒක short answer එකක්.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Okay, give me a second. After this disconnection, මෙතනදී disconnect වුණාට පස්සේ අපි 5 minutes break එකක් ගන්නවා, right? So I will turn on again after 5 minutes. Now it is 7:45. 7:45 log in when you can have 5 minutes interval, right?
Okay, teacher.
Yeah, 7:45.
Teacher, මේ තුන්වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ whip crackers came first in the perahara කිව්වත් වැරදි.
Yeah, how about the fireball acrobats? Right?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. So question number 3. Whip crackers and the fireball acrobats came first in the perahara. Came first in the perahara. Question number 4. Who carries the sacred tooth relic in the perahara?
Majestic structure
Majestic structure carrying the sacred tooth of Buddha.
Yes, very good. A majestic tusker carried the sacred tooth relic in the perahara. Question number 5. Who did not see a baby elephant?
Sahan.
Sahan
Sahan
did not
did not see the baby.
Yes. Right? Sahan did not see a baby elephant. So take red pen and put right marks. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Can I erase the board?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Right. So take the Situm. Okay. Now take the grammar book, children. We have a grammar lesson. Right? Take the grammar book.
grammar book එක ගන්න
Yes, take the grammar book and write the date.
Teacher last week එකේ grammar book එකේ මුකුත් වැඩ කරේ නෑ නේද?
No.
Teacher, copyright the
Copyright. Yes, write the theory first, write the rules.
teacher board එක පේන්නේ නෑනේ. teacher ළමයි mic on කරගෙන.
Take the grammar book and copyright the lesson.
teacher board එක පේන්නේ නෑනේ ළමයි mic on කරගෙන.
No, ළමයි mic on කරාට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් board එක පේන්නේ නැති ප්‍රශ්නයක් එන්නේ නැහැ. එක්කෝ මට signal මදි ඇති නැත්නම් ඔයාට signal මදි ඇති.
teacher අපිට board එක පේනවා.
Yes.
Teacher ඔක ලියා ගන්න ඕනේද?
Yes, copyright in the grammar book. Raise your hand when you are finished writing because we have to go to the past tense also. Take your grammar book and copyright the lesson.
ටීචර් බෝඩ් එකත් මට පේන්නේ
Yeah, you have signal problem.
මොනවද? Yes, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
ටීචර් බෝඩ් එකේ තියෙන එක ලියා ගන්න ඕනේ ටීචර් grammar book එකේ.
Yes, yes.
Okay teacher.
Teacher, I am finished.
Okay.
Teacher, raise your hand.
Yeah, raise hand, yes, raise hand so that we can quickly do. Writing finish una gama raise hand karan. Because we have 3 tenses.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, අර teacher class එකට ඇවිල්ලා පටන් ගත්ත මුල්ම දවසේ දුන්නා නේද teacher? teacher class මේ class එකට ඇවිල්ලා කරන්න මේ කිව්ව පළවෙනි සතියේ දුන්නා නේද teacher past tense verbs ටිකක් teacher දුන්නා අපිට ගෙදරදී ඒකේ past tense එක ලියන්නේ.
Yes.
teacher ඒ ටික සාකච්ඡා කළේ නෑ නේද?
But because I don't have the words ඒ ටික මං ඒ වෙලාවේ ගැලපෙන විදියට කල්පනා කරලා බෝඩ් එකේ දැම්මනේ මම ලියාගෙන කළා නෙමෙයි.
Okay teacher.
So I don't have the words. Maybe if someone of you send a photo to the WhatsApp, then I can check answers.
ටීචර් මොන ටිකද?
The past tense words, remember?
Okay teacher.
ටික ලියන්න ඕන teacher. Teacher, ඒ ටික ලියන්න ඕනද?
Huh?
Activity 3 කරන්න ඕනද?
No, no. If you are finished copywriting this, raise your hand.
Finish, teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher unit 2 එකේ ප්‍රශ්නේ කර දෙවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේ තුන්වෙනි
Unit
Unit 2 එකේ දෙවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නය තුන්වෙනි ප්‍රශ්නය
ටීචර් මොකද්ද දැන් කරන්න කිව්ව ටීචර්?
right මේ ටික copywriting කරගෙන reading කරන්න කිව්වේ. Are you connected 20? Okay. So Himandi was reading, right? එයා reading කරද්දි මේ sound එකක පොඩි ගැටලුවක් ආවා. Where and were. WEAR where. Where I wear my uniform. Where. Right? Where means andum andinama. WERE were. There were. There was. There was. There were. There were. No. This is were. WERE were. And this is ago. Ago no. Ago. Ago. Ago means pera. Right? So let's check the meanings here. We are talking about the past tense. Right? We are talking about the past tense. There was a man at the bus hold. Now, no. Maybe the bus came and he got into the bus and went. There was a man at the gate. Then, man kenek bus hold teke hitiya. There was a man at the bus hold. There was a girl in the class. There was a girl in the class. There were many carts on the road many years ago. What is a cart? Karataya. Very good. Very good. Can you see any carts now? No, right? No. Yes, අර අලුත් අවුරුදු උත්සව දවස්වල කරත්ත රේස් එකක් තිබුණොත් මිස දැන් ඒවත් නැහැ. So cards කියන ඒවා දැන් අපිට කොහෙත්ම දකින්න නැහැ. But many years ago අවුරුදු ගානකට පෙර like maybe 20 years before there were some carts on the road, right? මට මතක අපි චූටිම කාලේ පොල් ගෙනියන්න එහෙම කරත්ත වලින් තමයි. Not lorries were there. Lorry ගොඩක් අඩුයි අපි චූටිම කාලේ කරත්තවල තමයි පොල් ගෙනියන වැඩ කළේ. Right, so that means nearly 20 years ago. Last one, there were many animals in our jungles many years ago. Now no. දැන් අපේ jungles වල tigers ලා lions ලා ඒගොල්ලන් හොයාගන්න නැහැ. But many years ago, බොහෝ අවුරුදු ගානකට පෙර there were many animals in our jungles, right? Now we go to the negative. Yeah, copyright the negatives.
ටීචර් ටික එතකොට කොටුවකට ගහගන්න
ටීචර් මට බෝඩ් එක එළියෙම පේන්නේ නැහැ. ටීචර්
Yeah.
ටීචර් මට ටීචර් බෝඩ් එක එළියෙම පේන්නේ ටීචර් කටහඬත් ලාවට හෙන්නේ ටීචර්.
That means maybe I have a signal problem or you have a signal problem.
ටීචර් මේකේ වැටෙනවා your network bandwidth is
Yeah,
low
that's
කියලා.
why. Yes, yes.
ටීචර් පළවෙනි 4යි දෙවෙනි 5 6 7යි 8 9 10 කියන ටික ටීචර් වෙන් කරලා යන්න ඕනේ නේද?
Yes, yes. First are the positives, second are the negatives, and the third are the questions.
ඕකේ ටීචර්.
Okay.
Finish teacher. Teacher raise your hand කරන්න. teacher raise hand දාන්නද?
Yes, yes.
Finish teacher.
Okay. Right. Osanda, read 1 to 4.
There was not a bus for our village. There was not a band in our village. There were not many people at the party. There were not many flowers on trees.
Yes, this number 8, no question mark, right? It's full stop here. Okay, so negative, there was not a bus for our village. Now we have buses for everywhere, but many years ago, there were not many buses to village, right? There was not a bank in our village. Now in Pokunweta we have a bank. But many years before, not every village has a bank. There were not many people at the party. There were not many flowers on trees. ගස්වල වැඩිය මල් තිබුණේ නැහැ. Right. Question. Was there a watch under the table? Was there a watch under the table? මේසයට watch එකක් තිබුණාද? Right, it's past tense. මේසයට watch එකක් තිබුණාද? Were there difficult questions in the paper? Difficult questions. අමාරු ප්‍රශ්න paper එකේ තිබුණාද? Was there a party here yesterday? Was there a party here? මෙහෙ ඊයේ පාටියක් තිබුණාද? Right? Was there a party here yesterday? මෙහෙ ඊයේ පාටියක් තිබුණාද? Right. Lower your hands. Let's go to the future tense.
ටීචර් දැන් වෙන එකත් copyright නේද?
Yes, future tense.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Teacher 4, 5, 6 ඈත් කළද මේ ලියන්නේ?
Yes, negative form. Right. Kushani, read first three.
There will be many students at the exhibition. There will be many cars in the future. There will be a monthly test next week.
Right. Very good. Uvani, read the second three.
There won't be many parents at the meeting. There won't be many fruit on trees. There won't be a Perahera next month.
Yes. So here we are talking about next week, next month, tomorrow, future, right? Heta tiyevi. Next week tiyevi. There will be a monthly test next week. Labana satya monthly test ekak tiyei. There won't be a perahara next month. Labana mase perahara tiyen ekak naha. That is about future. Let's write some questions.
Finish, teacher.
Right, very good.
Finish, teacher.
Okay.
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher.
Right. Apsani, can you read these 4 questions?
Will there be many dancers in the Perahera? Will there be many presents on my birthday? Will there be many story books at the exhibition? Will there be many friends at the party?
Right. Very good. So that is also about future tense. Will there be many friends at the party? Party එක යාළුවෝ ගොඩක් ඉඳීවිද? Right? ඉඳීවිද? Okay. So come to pupils book page number 27. This is a grammar activity. So we are doing in the grammar book page number 27.
Okay.
Yeah, there we have to make lot of sentences. Are you ready? Page number 27.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Right. So, number 1 is there was, there were. Next one, there wasn't, there weren't. That means negative. Next one, in the future tense, remember in the second chart එක වෙනම අඳින්නේ නැහැ. අපි sentence ටික විතරයි හදාගෙන යන්නේ. So, in the future tense, you should first break all the sentences there will be. There will be make 6 sentences. Then write there won't be 6 sentences. Future tense එකේදී singular plural problem එකක් නැහැ. There is singular. There are plural. Past tense එකේදී there was singular. There were plural. But in future tense, singular plural no problem. ගැටලුවක් නැහැ.
ටීචර් කිව්වේ මාව කට් වුණා.
Page number 27 කුෂානි.
අර future tense ගැන හිතන.
Did you write the questions?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Come to pupils book page number 27. So when you are making sentences from future tense, you should make there will be 6 sentences and there won't be 6 sentences. Right? Will be එකෙන් 6ක් හදන්න, won't be එකෙනුත් 6ක් හදන්න ඕනේ. Next one
Okay,
is was there. මෙතනදී ඔයා බලන්න ඕනේ present tense එක තමයි අපි is එකට ගන්න. Past tense එකට තමයි අපි was were ගන්න. And again you have to check singular plural. Right? එතකොට third chart එක කරද්දී ඉස්සෙල්ලාම බලන්න singular ද plural ද. Present tense the past tense the. Present tense අපි ගන්නේ is are. Past tense අපි ගන්නේ was were. So again present tense singular is. Present tense plural are. Past tense singular was. Past tense plural were. Okay. So we have 10 minutes. Let's start activity 3 in the grammar book.
Teacher, ඒක මේ ලියන්න ඕනේ teacher.
Don't draw the chart. Chart එක වෙනම අඳින්න එපා. Sentence ටික හදාගෙන යන්න.
මේ උදාහරණ වාක්‍ය ලියන්න ඕනේ.
teacher දෙයාවල පළවෙනි එකේ was වල අක්කේ හයක් නෙමෙයි නේද ඍෂි තුනයි නේද හදන්න
3 only
තියෙන්නේ
3 yes yes එතන ඔයාට හයක් හදන්න බෑ singular plural බලන්න ඕනනේ
yes teacher
hmm.
ටීචර් දෙවෙනි chart එකේ වාක්‍ය 12ක් හදන්න ඕන නේද?
yes of course yes
ටීචර් දැන් විනාඩි 10න් කට් වුණාම ඔයාලා වෙනව නේද ටීචර් දැන් විනාඩි 10න් කට් වුණාම අපව ලොග් වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද
no maybe it's almost time no 9 o'clock no
Teacher, the dictation මොනවාද?
right so let's okay maybe you can complete that for homework also dictation we have words strange. Mark 12 words from strange. Strange, trunk, purpose, deep.
මොන පොතේද ටීචර්?
Writing book එකේ ලියාගෙනද බලන්න ඔය වචන ටික.
Teacher, strange, trunk, purpose, deep, fall, fell, think, decide, a set of pencils. ඒ ටිකද?
Yes, mark 12 words. Strange, trunk, purpose, deep, fall, think, decide, a set of pencils, mind, forever, experience,
pain වෙනකන්.
pain, yes. Until pain. From strange to pain. And for homework in your tute, right? For homework in your tute, you can do question number 2.
unit 3 නේද ටීචර්? ටියුට් එක unit 3 නේද?
Unit 3 tute, yes. Unit 3 tute එකේ question number 2 do for homework. Right? Tute question number 2 homework.
Excuse me teacher.
Yeah.
ටීචර් strange ඉඳලා කොතනට වෙනකම්ද?
Pain වෙනකම්.
Dictation.
Pain.
Thank you teacher.
Okay. So strange to pain homework, dictation, homework in your tute, question number 2. You have to fill am, is, are, was, were, and will be.
ටීචර් dictation ටික ආපු දාන්න පුළුවන්ද group එකට?
Dictation. Okay.
ටීචර් එදා ඒවපු කොළ දෙකේ තියෙනවා.
Yes.
ටීචර් ලබන සතියේ 5 9 නේද?
No. අර ගිය සතිය අපිට කරගන්න බැරි වුණ නිසා මේ 9 o'clock වෙනකන් දැම්මේ right දිගටම 9 o'clock කරන්න අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. So next week we can do until 8 o'clock, right?
ටීචර් දැන් පද්දි වරද?
Okay, so yeah, it's only 4 minutes we have. So that's all for today. Do you have any questions, children?
No teacher.
I am a parent. Yeah.
Teacher next.
Oh teacher.
Teacher next week.
dictation ට මොන වචනෙන්ද මොන වචනෙටද?
Strange ඉඳලා pain වෙනකම්.
ටියුට් එකේ කීවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නේද?
Tute question number 2.
එච්චරනේ ටීචර් කතරවද?
Yes. Tute question number 2. Did you finish this activity? මේ grammar activity එක ලිව්වද sentence ටික? No, you have to complete that, right? So next week we can mark it. Okay. Right. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට tutors ගන්න එන්න මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් මට message කරන්න. මේ දැන් grade 6 class එකෙත් එහෙම ප්‍රශ්න තිබුණා ළමයින්ට class එකට එන්න විදියක් නැතුව ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් unit 1 tutor එක unit 2 tutor එක කියලා ඔයාලට අවශ්‍ය tutor එක දාලා message කරන්න මට WhatsApp එකට. මම ඒතකොට tutor එක WhatsApp කරන්නම්, right? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah. So that's all.
Good night, teacher.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Goodbye. Good night, children.
Goodbye teacher.
Goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Bye teacher.
Bye. Good night.
Goodbye teacher. Good night.
Good night.
Good night teacher.
Bye.
Bye teacher.
Bye. Good night.